Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will explain Bernoulli's differential equation. So an equation of the form dy by dx plus py equal to qy power n. This is Bernoulli's differential equation. So an equation of the form dy by dx plus p of y equal to qy power n is said to be Bernoulli's differential equation, and here n is a constant. N is constant. So in Bernoulli's differential equation we have two cases. Case 1, when n equal to 1. N equal to 1. So dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x into y. So differential equation in terms of x. So that is dy by dx plus py equal to qy. So here n equal to 1. Then dy by dx plus p of x minus q of x into y equal to 0. So this is differential equation. So by using the variable separable method, separating the variables, so dy by y plus p of x minus q of x into dx equal to 0. So integrating on both sides. So integration of dy by y plus integration of p of x minus q of x into dx equal to 0. So integrating on both sides, then we get the general solution of case 1. So coming to case 2. So case 2 is obviously when n not equal to 1. N value not equal to 1. So n value not equal to 1 means if n less than 1, n greater than 1. N less than 1 or n greater than 1. So in this case we multiplying the given equation 1 with y power minus n, then y power minus n into dy by dx plus p of x into y power 1 minus n equal to q of x. So this is equation 2. So put here y power 1 minus 1 equal to z. Then differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So here 1 minus n into y power 1 minus n minus 1 into dy by dx equal to dz by dx. So 1 minus n into here 1 cancel, y power minus n dy by dx equal to dz by dx. So therefore y minus n dy by dx equal to 1 by 1 minus n dz by dx. So therefore substituting these value in equation 2. So here equation 2 is y minus n dy by dx plus p of x into y power 1 minus n equal to q of x. Substituting equation 3 value in equation 2. So in place of y minus n dy by dx equal to 1 by 1 minus n dz by dx plus next term p of x into here y power 1 minus n equal to z. So p of x into z equal to q of x. So dz by dx plus 1 minus n into p of x into z equal to 1 minus n into q of x. So this is in the form of exact differential equation. So in exact differential equation, integrating factor equal to, so in this integrating factor equal to e power p of x into dx. So here p of x is 1 minus n. So integration of 1 minus n into p of x dx. So this is the integrating factor of case 2 of Bernoulli's differential. So general solution z into integrating factor equal to integration of 1 minus n into q into integrating factor into dx plus c. So this is the general solution of case 2 of Bernoulli's differential equation. So next I will explain problems on Bernoulli's differential equation. So coming to the first problem, dy by dx plus y by x equal to y square into x. So this is in the form of dy by dx plus py equal to qy. So dy by dx plus py equal to qy power n. So this is general Bernoulli's equation. So here p equal to 1 by x and q equal to x. Q equal to x. So here y power n, here y square. So here n equal to 2. N equal to 2. So n equal to 2 is nothing but n value is greater than 1. So this problem belongs to case 2 of Bernoulli's equation. So case 2 of Bernoulli's equation, integrating factor is, what is integrating factor? E power integration of 1 minus n of p of x into dx. So e power integration of 1 minus, here n value is 2, p of x is, what is p of x? 1 by x dx. So that is equal to e power minus of 1 by x dx. So e power minus log x. So that is equal to 1 by x. So therefore integrating factor is 1 by x. Then general solution is z into integrating factor equal to 1 minus n into q into integrating factor dx plus c. So z into integrating factor. So here z value is what? Z equal to, what is z value? Y power 1 minus n. So that is nothing but z equal to y power 1 minus, here n equal to minus 2. So that is y power minus 1, 1 by y. So therefore 1 by y into integrating factor is 1 by x equal to integration of 1 minus 2 minus 1 and q equal to, q value is x and integrating factor 1 by x into dx plus c. So here 1 by x cancel. So 1 by xy equal to integration of minus 1 dx is minus x plus c. This is our general solution. Next problem, x into dy by dx plus y square by x plus y equal to 0. So this is by changing this, x into dy by dx plus y equal to minus y square by x. So therefore dy by dx plus y by x equal to minus y square by x square. So this is in the form of Bernoulli's differential equation. So Bernoulli's differential equation, so here p equal to 1 by x and q equal to 1 by x square and here n equal to 2. So this is belongs to case 2. So therefore where p equal to 1 by x and q equal to minus 1 by x square and here n equal to 2. So this problem belongs to case 2. So by case 2, what is the solution? Put integrating factor equal to e power integration of 1 minus n into p of x dx. So e power integration of 1 minus n value is 2 and p of x value 1 by x dx. So e power minus of integration of 1 by x is log x, that is equal to 1 by x. So therefore integrating factor is 1 by x. So general solution equal to z into integrating factor equal to integration of 1 minus n into q into integrating factor d of x plus c. So here z equal to y power 1 minus n. So therefore z equal to y power 1 minus 2, that is equal to 1 by y. So 1 by y into integrating factor is 1 by x, that is equal to integration of here 1 minus 2 q into q value. What is q value? Q equal to minus y square by x square into what is integrating factor, that is 1 by x dx plus c. So 1 by xy equal to minus into minus plus integration of y square by x cube dx plus c. So 1 by xy equal to y square into integration of 1 by x square, 1 by x cube dx plus c. So y square into integration of 1 by x cube is minus 1 by 2x square plus c. So therefore 1 by xy equal to minus y square by 2x square plus c. Next problem, dy by dx plus y cot x equal to y square sin square x cos square x. So this is also in the form of Bernoulli's differential equation of case 2, and here n equal to 2. So therefore p of x equal to cot x and q of x equal to sin square x cos square x. So integrating factor equal to e power integration of 1 minus n into p of x dx. So e power integration of 1 minus n. So here n equal to 2. So 1 minus 2 is minus 1. P of x value cot x dx. So e power minus of integration of cot x dx. So integration of cot x dx, that is log sin x. So that is e power minus log sin x means 1 by sin x. So therefore integrating factor is 1 by sin x. So general solution, z into integrating factor equal to integration of 1 minus n into q of x into integrating factor d of x plus c. And also here z value is 1 by z equal to 1 minus n into here z equal to y power 1 minus n, that is 1 by y. Therefore 1 by y into integrating factor, so that is 1 by sin x equal to q into integration of 1 minus n value minus 1 and q value sin square x cos square x into integrating factor 1 by x sin x dx plus c. So 1 by y sin x equal to minus of integration of here sin square x sin x cancel, sin x cos square x dx plus c. So in this I am taking cos x equal to t. Cos x equal to t. So differentiate with respect to x. So d by dx of cos x is minus sin x dx equal to dt. So therefore 1 by y sin x equal to minus of integration of, so here sin x dx equal to dt. So that is minus sin x minus dt, and cos x equal to t, so that is t square. So here minus into minus plus integration of t square dt, so that is t cube by 3 plus c. So what is t value? Here t equal to cos x, so cos cube x by 3 plus c. So therefore 1 by y sin x equal to cos cube x by 3 plus c. Next problem, x into dy by dx plus y log y equal to xy e power x. xy e power x. So dividing, this is in the form of dy by Bernoulli's equation, and here y power is 1. So n equal to 1. So n equal to 1 is nothing but this problem belongs to case 1. So therefore divide the equation by xy on both sides. So here dy by dx into 1 by xy plus y into log y into 1 by xy equal to xy e power x by xy. So therefore finally dy by 1 by y dy by dx plus 1 by x log y plus e power x. So then here I am taking log y equal to z, because by changing this into exact differential equation. So therefore put log y equal to z and differentiate with respect to x. So 1 by y dy by dx equal to dz by dx. So by substituting this value in above equation, in place of 1 by y dy by dx equal to dz by dx and log y equal to z. So dz by dx plus 1 by x into z equal to e power x. So this is in the form of exact differential equation. So therefore integrating factor equal to e power integration of 1 by x dx. So e power log x, that is equal to x. So therefore integrating factor equal to x. By the general solution, z into integrating factor equal to integration of q into integrating factor dx plus c. So here z equal to, what is z? I am taking here z equal to log y. So z equal to log y, integrating factor is x and integration of q value is e power x and integrating factor x dx plus c. So x log y equal to integration of x e power x. So that is e power x into x minus differentiation of x value is 1 and also plus c, and also this is another differential, another form. I am taking x e power x, that u equal to x and v equal to e power x. First u into v dash, so v dash is e power x. Next plus uv dash minus v into u dash, so that is x. So x e power x minus e power x, then e power x is common, that is x minus 1. So therefore general solution, x log y equal to e power x into x minus 1 plus c. Next one, 2y cos y square dy by dx minus 2 by x plus 1 sin y square equal to x plus 1 whole cube. So here I am taking sin y square equal to z. So put sin y square equal to z, because by changing this equation into exact differential equation. So sin differentiate with respect to x on both sides, then sin y square is cos y square, and in place of x here we have y square, then again differentiate with respect to x with y square. So that is 2y dy by dx equal to dz by dx. So 2y cos y square dy by dx equal to dz by dx. So substituting this value in given problem. So that is 2y cos y square dy by dx equal to dz by dx. dz by dx minus 2 by x plus 1 into z equal to x plus 1 whole cube. So this is in the form of exact differential equation. So here p equal to minus 2 by x plus 1 and q equal to x plus 1 whole cube. So coming to the integrating factor, integration of p of x dx equal to integration of e power integration of minus 2 by x plus 1 dx. So e power minus 2 of log x plus 1. So that is 1 by x plus 1 whole square. Integrating factor. So coming to the general solution. So therefore general solution is z into integrating factor equal to integration of q into integrating factor dx plus c. So therefore z into integrating factor 1 by x plus 1 whole square equal to integration of q. So here what is q value? X plus 1 whole cube into 1 by x plus 1 whole square dx plus c. So here x plus 1 cube square cancel, that is 1 integration of x plus 1 dx plus c. So integration of x value x square by 2 plus integration of 1 dx x plus c. So therefore here z equal to sin y square into 1 by x plus 1 whole square equal to x square by 2 plus x plus c. So this is our required general solution. Next problem. dy by dx plus 2 by x into y equal to 3x square into y power 4 by 3. So here this is Bernoulli's differential equation and this belongs to case 2 because here y power 4 by 3. So n value is greater than 1. So p of x equal to 2 by x and q of x equal to 3x square and n equal to 4 by 3. So therefore integrating factor equal to e power integration of 1 minus n into p of x dx. So here what is 1 minus n? 1 minus 4 by 3. So that is my integration of p of x 2 by x dx. P of x value 2 by x dx. So that is e power minus 2 by 3 into log x. Integration of 1 by x value is log x. So e power log x of power minus 2 by 3. So that is 1 by 3x square. So therefore integrating factor equal to 1 by 3x square. So general solution is y in z into integrating factor equal to integration of q into integrating factor into dx plus c. So here z equal to y power 1 minus n. So y power minus 1 by 3, 1 by 3x square equal to integration of 3x square into so 1 minus n minus 1 by 3, 1 by 3x square dx plus c. So here 3x square cancel, 1 by 3x square into y power minus 1 by 3 equal to integration of 1 dx is x plus c. So this is our general solution of given problem. Hope you are all understood this topic. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.